Those born on this day are ambitious and hardworking, yet they rarely let the pursuit of worldly success take precedence over their relationships. Although family and friends come first with you, you have the capacity to make everyone feel comfortable. You are nurturing and hospitable, and your consideration for others immediately puts them at ease. You refuse to run roughshod over people's feelings just to get what you want. You are a tactful, equitable mediator who prefers diplomacy to confrontation. Those born on June 24th are cultured individuals with refined sensibilities. You revel in the comfort of a harmonious environment. Your innate creativity and appreciation for everything beautiful may lead to a career in art, interior design, fashion design, or architecture. With your inherent intelligence and artistic talent, you could garner success in any field associated with teaching, acting, writing, painting, sculpting, or music. In business, your keen understanding of human nature makes you a good manager of people. You are quick to figure out what the public wants and even quicker to understand what has to be done to give it to them. In love, you are a romantic idealist. You will hold off making a commitment until you are reasonably sure that your feelings are reciprocated. However, once the commitment is made, you accept the union to last forever.